After 8 years at iSaloni, I have realized that the future doesn't happen all of a sudden. It takes shape here, in these pavilions. The furniture is no longer just beautiful, it is technological and thought out to the last detail. Today I will show you what tomorrow holds. I'm Nastya Kovalova and this is the Design Tour. In spring, Milan becomes the main destination for everyone who is passionate about design. This year's iSaloni is particularly bright, both literally and metaphorically, because the exhibition is dedicated to lighting. It's about light as a mood, as an emotion, as the main tool for creating space. Thousands of ideas, incredible installations, new collections, and most importantly, the feeling that design once again communicates with us in our most familiar language. Welcome to the world where design defines the rhythm of tomorrow. In this episode, technology, innovation, and a closer look at design from Antoniolupi. Also, unexpected discoveries with designer Elizaveta Ivanova. The Italian brand Antoniolupi is able to create not just a stylish space, but a truly designer one. At this year's iSaloni, they once again showed how design, form and materials can work together. Antoniolupi is elegance, innovation and impeccable style. By creating furniture, sanitary ware, bathroom accessories, the brand manages to transform the interior, adding an individual character to it. At iSaloni 2025, at the company stand, there is a maximum of tactility, natural materials, architectural thought and details that you want to examine. We learn firsthand what inspires the Antoniolupi brand to develop such innovative solutions from the company CEO Andrea Lupi, with whom we talked right at the exhibition stand in Milan. Andrea, it's a pleasure to meet you. Gorgeous stand. Please tell us what inspired you to have such a beautiful display. Today, Antoniolupi is synonymous with impeccable quality, and we have indeed prepared thoroughly for this exhibition, with an emphasis on craftsmanship. We have done serious work with materials and we have worked to create spaces for living, because Antoniolupi is no longer just a recognized brand in the bathroom segment. We are a company that deals with the entire design of living spaces. We have introduced a whole concept built around stone. Wood and marble are the key materials for our projects. And additionally, we integrated beds, sofas and armchairs. This is also part of the overall design idea, which is particularly popular among designers today. The exhibition that Antoniolupi presented at iSaloni 2025 is a dialogue between form and function. It's about individuality, about the Italian commitment to quality and style. We can say that our stand is a statement of our philosophy. We show here really innovative, unique solutions. For example, Giorgio Rava's project is a completely new approach, in which we literally removed the faucet and made water an architectural element. The Antoniolupi brand evokes interest and resonates with connoisseurs of exclusive design. There is no doubt that the solutions presented by the company this year will become a new reference point in the design industry. Günay Verdieva, Antoniolupi's representative in Azerbaijan, was the first to fly to Milan in order to get acquainted with the brand's new products. One of these year's novelties is the Oasi bathtub. Just look at the shape. You can choose from 408 shapes, from strict rectangular to softly oval, or even angular if you want to integrate it into non-standard spaces. No other brands offers as many variations. Antoniolupi remains a company that can state with confidence 100% of its products are made in Italy. These are really high-quality furniture and accessories that will bring emotions to their owners, because in fact emotions are the key aspect of design. Everything within the Antoniolupi space is designed for a sense of absolute balance between form and function, minimalism and expression. It's not just objects, it's a way of life where every detail counts. Next in our episode, we continue to explore the iSaloni 2025 together with the successful designer Elizaveta Ivanova. iSaloni is not just an exhibition, it is a business platform for the design and interior industry. More than 2,000 brands present their new products, shaping trends for years to come. Here, major contracts are signed, new names are discovered, and leading experts discuss design innovations. Elizaveta Ivanova is a talented and successful designer with a huge experience and implemented projects in many countries of the world. Elizaveta is feeling confident in the design and architecture of both private and public spaces. Her portfolio includes apartments, restaurants and renowned hotels. Welcome to Fiera Milano, a huge exhibition center that becomes a design hub during iSaloni. Just imagine 230,000 square meters of display space, hundreds of stands, tens of thousands of ideas. There is definitely something to be inspired by. Of course, one can hardly get around all 230,000 square meters of the exposition, which is like 32 soccer fields. Anyway, the designers do not strive to make it. Some of them come here to see their favorite factory's new products for the first time, some of them to get inspiration, and others to make new acquaintances. For example, last year the exhibition was attended by more than 300,000 people from 160 countries. Here you can meet anyone, world design stars, architects, furniture manufacturers, or just anyone looking for inspiration for their interiors. A global furniture mogul and an aspiring designer can be in the same pavilion. This year, lighting is the main focus of attention. After all, light creates the ambience of an interior. Here at iSaloni, light becomes a real art. Innovative technologies, unusual shapes, eco-friendly solutions. If furniture design is about interior fashion, then iSaloni is Milan Furniture Fashion Week. This is where trends are born, where the most famous designers, brands and companies meet. New technologies, new ideas, everything is here. Although lighting is the key theme of iSaloni 2025, a lot of attention was paid to furniture and interior solutions in general. The exhibition sets trends and dictates architectural fashion. Colors, shapes, materials, innovations, everything that is popular at the Salone del Mobile Milano is sure to be in demand this coming season. Designers see iSaloni not just as an exhibition, but as a place of strength. You can share your ideas here, get inspired, find new partners, and be at the center of the world's design community. If you want to stay in the loop, this is the place to be. Shapes change, but values remain. The future of furniture is a dialogue with people, not just a thing in the interior. See you in our next program, it will be beautiful.